now I am in Osaka, Japan. I'm so excited. And now I'm inside the Osaka station, just next to my hotel. So I'm going to Dotonbori to eat the best takoyaki in Osaka and okonomiyaki as well. And I'm taking the red line. It's called Midosuji. So let's go. So now I'm at the Umeda station. I'm taking the subway to Namba, and then I will just walk to Dotonbori. It's just like a 4 station away, and yeah, let's go. So now finally I'm at Dotonbori, just next to Namba station. You have to take exit number 14, and just like 2 minutes walk, and you will arrive at Dotonbori. So yeah, I'm like so hot right now, so warm. So yeah, there's a river here. I'll show you. I'm in Osaka. So at the back here, okay, now you cannot see, but now with my face like so dark, you can see that's the Running Man symbol of Dotonbori. So yeah, like that's the trademark. If you come to Dotonbori, you have to take a picture with that screen, like me right now. Osaka. There's so many like animals and sculptures and everything, like dragon, octopus. So funny. So yeah. This will be the end of day 1 in Osaka. I just went to Dotonbori area, buy some food, and look around. Look at so many like sculpture on the shops, like crabs, dragons, and everything. And Actually, if you want to travel by train here, it's really easy. You just go to the counter. First you just ask for maps, Osaka map, from the hotel reception, and then usually you will get the train route as well. So, and then when you go to the train station, and then the announcement, and then you go to the ticket machine, you press English, but on top of that there will be like a station, like which number, and then there's a price there, and then just press English, put your coins, and then the train is coming. Put your coins, then just press your station, and that's it, easy. And then if you want to get around, just look for the where is the final station of your line, and then you go to either line 1 or 2. Alright, got back from Dotonbori, and then on the way back at the Osaka station, I stopped by at the 7-Eleven, but it looks like so fancy, and like every time I come to Japan, I have to buy something because everything is so cute, and yeah, it's so cute. So I bought this dessert, with fruits, and then because it's Ramadan now, so I have to eat something before sunrise. So I got rice with fish roll, I believe, and this watermelon ice cream. I saw few people eat it just now. It looks like really like a watermelon. And then matcha green tea. I'm so in love with green tea right now, matcha. And then matcha ice cream, so cute. And then matcha tea latte from Starbucks. So I'm going to eat all of this before sunrise tomorrow. And because tomorrow I have to fast for 16 hours because yeah, it's really long in Osaka. And then I bought this matcha green tea mochi, I guess. And the guy wrapped this thing, but it's dessert ice cream as well. And then this one, it looks like a A4 paper, but it's actually Osaka choco banana. So I will bring this back to Malaysia, and this one. And if I have time tomorrow, day 2 in Osaka, I will buy more stuff cakes, desserts, because I'm going back for Eid for 2 weeks. So, and it's very soon, so I will bring some stuff from Japan for my family. Okay, see ya tomorrow. Bye bye. Yeah, I'm going to Universal Studio Japan tomorrow. I'm so excited. Bye bye, good night.